I know y'all like, where has she been? Where has she been? Where has she been? What's she been up to? Where is she going? This is going to be a birthday vlog, and I am getting ready to go out with my friends, and we're going out to Eddie V's in Los Olas, Fort Lauderdale. But let me see if I can show y'all what I got on.
Oh shit.
Y'all want to phone my friend, so y'all just heard her curse. Let me see if I can show y'all. Y'all probably can't see it because it's... But anyways, I'm going to leave clips to like pictures and full body pictures and videos and stuff like that, so y'all can kind of get an idea of how I look. But y'all like my hair? I love it. Y'all like my makeup? I love it. Anyways, I'll see y'all soon. Bye. Alright, y'all, so I bought this little light. Let me see. I bought this light specifically for when I'm in a dark little area. I don't know if the restaurant gonna have light so where you guys can actually see me, but I'm prepared just in case it don't. I kind of like this little light. It's real fancy schmancy. Let me show y'all how it looks. I got this on Amazon, and they also got it on TikTok shop.
Stuck in the same routine,
Yeah,
day in and day out. But in
my
the
phone
US
just
Air Force,
started talking, but I was listening to music before I had called you guys before I started recording. But I was on the phone with my friend, and then I guess when she hung up, it just picked up where it left off at. But this is my little cute little bag that I have with my little setup, and I'm about to leave. I wish I could show y'all my outfit, but I'll make sure you guys see an actual clip. This light is bright. Let me cut it down. Is it going down? But yeah. See you guys in a bit. I arrived here at Eddie V's. I have one of my friends here. I don't know if she want to get on camera, but you get on camera? I'm cute today. Oh, she cute, y'all. She cute. So yeah, I don't need to cut my light on. It's enough light out here, but y'all check out the view. It is nice. Hold on, I promise y'all a view of my dress. Hold on.
Oh, I gotta flip this around so I can see.
Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Oh, sorry. Did I do it wrong?
No, there you go.
Okay. Everything done right? You see the dress? I get to turn around?
Okay.
I feel like a kid just cheesing. So that's how my dress look, like I promised you guys that y'all see the dress. But I'll hit y'all back when we sit down. So we're waiting on the rest of the girls to come. But yeah, see you guys later. Let me see how this look with this light on, because it is bright out here. But oh, there you go right there. You need some light? Bitch. I'm gonna bleep that out. She's always cursing, y'all. My little pirate, she always cursing. All right, y'all, bye. I take my. So we made it edit juice. We're about to have. Yeah, my face. All the little boys are sweet in my class.
So when you talking,
That's the control. Oh, okay. I like this. It's one little boy. I don't care what I do. Alright, y'all. So we about to have dinner. I'm gonna show y'all what I ordered as soon as the food comes. I had ordered lamb chops, but they was out of lamb chops, so I gotta come at the time to enjoy lamb chops. Oh, for real? Alright, y'all. Let me chop it. That is. That's a lot of birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
that's hot.
Happy birthday. Y'all turn up. Y'all supposed to blow out somebody. You supposed to blow out this stuff. I don't think you can blow that out.
Just let it burn, like Usher.
I'm gonna blow it out.
It'll go out on it.
Oh, okay. She like, don't even put your face down.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I like that.
I'm gonna set some shit on fire when I go home. Go to bed when you go home. Hey everybody, it is the next day. Today is Sunday. I went to church this morning, by the way. Also stopped by my mama's house. She made me some food. I left my camera home, so I wasn't able to vlog. She made me some short ribs, cabbage with shredded turkey, and she also made macaroni and cheese. Why did that leave my brain like that? I didn't know what it was. But let me show y'all the flowers my friend handmade and gave it to me last night. I couldn't give y'all guys the full look of it last night, but let me show you guys. Y'all already know who that is. He said it's cute. But she handmade these flowers. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description if you're interested in purchasing yourself or your loved ones some flowers. Just, you know, just because holidays, birthdays, whatever. But I really love my flowers. And yeah, let me take this makeup off and put on some relaxed clothes, because like I mentioned, I did go to church this morning, and my makeup is kind of like, it's looking a little bit like, because I was eating, my hands was all over my face, I was crying in church. Just my makeup just is a mess right now. But yeah, so I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. And I'm sorry I haven't missed it from social media. I just needed a social break, and I know I'm not as active as I want to be on YouTube. However, it's not an excuse, but I just want to let y'all know where have I been and what I've been doing. But yeah, I see y'all in a bit. and half the day is already gone. I think it's about what? It's 3:38. So I gotta put a move on it if I wanna have a little bit of me time after I finish washing my truck. But I know that's not gonna be possible knowing that my son gonna be running around. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit.